is concerned, now US has also stepped in. In fact, US has bombed Iranian nuclear sites. It has striked Fordo and two other sites in Iran. US jets dropped the bombs at the Iranian nuclear sites. In fact, US President Donald Trump will be addressing on the strikes shortly, but as of now, he has posted on social media saying that now is the time for peace. Now, it is pertinent to note that this message comes after US attacked the three nuclear sites in Iran, and now Trump is calling for peace, and he is saying that peace is the solution. And as per reports, we're learning that Donald Trump told Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu about the attack plan, the attack that US carried out on the Iranian nuclear sites. Now, as far as Iran is concerned, Iran has also confirmed the United States strikes on its territory on the three nuclear sites, including Fordo, and Iran has also said that the extent of damage is yet to be assessed. Now, it was being anticipated that US might step in the conflict between Iran and Israel, and that has finally happened. US has actually bombed Iranian nuclear sites, and it has struck Fordo and two other nuclear sites that includes Natanz, and US jets dropped the bombs at these Iranian nuclear sites. In fact, Iran has also confirmed about these US strikes, but it has said that the extent of damage is yet to be assessed. Donald Trump will be addressing shortly on the Iranian strikes. In fact, my colleague Shivani is now joining us with more details on this. Shivani, big escalation in the war between Iran and Israel. Now, US has stepped in fact, bombed the nuclear sites in Iran. What more details are we gathering?